Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to place calls from A9G board by sending AT command from Raspberry Pi Pico W using MicroPython programming. Okay, so we were programming our Raspberry Pi Pico W to connect serially with this A9G board. Okay, and after connecting serially with this A9G board, Raspberry Pi was sending the AT command to place a call via this A9G board, and in the phone we were receiving that call. Okay, now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to send SMS from A9G board by sending AT command from the Raspberry Pi Pico W. So you can see here Raspberry Pi Pico W is connected with this A9G board, and here you can see the UART communication cables, okay, RX and TX cable. So we can do MicroPython programming in the Raspberry Pi Pico W to open serial communication with A9G board, and then after we are going to send the AT command to the A9G board to send SMS to any number. And here is my phone, so in my phone we are going to receive that SMS. And here I have created a block for you for the step-by-step guide. So for this process what you will require, so you will require Raspberry Pi Pico W, the A9G board, USB cable to power up the A9G board and to program the Raspberry Pi Pico W. And here is the connection diagram. Okay, you can see Raspberry Pi Pico first pin is connected to A9G board second pin. Okay, you can see the blue cable. So this is the blue cable which is connected to the first pin of Raspberry Pi Pico W, and here in the A9G board it is connected on the second pin. Okay, and same way the green cable is connected on the second pin of the Raspberry Pi Pico W, and which is connected to the first pin of A9G board. Okay, so this is how you have to create your serial connection between A9G and the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Now you can use Thony MicroPython IDE to program your Raspberry Pi Pico W, and then after you can run your MicroPython program to send SMS from A9G board to any number. Okay, so here is my Thony IDE, and I have already copy pasted the program here in the Thony MicroPython IDE, and here you can see we have imported the necessary library. Then after we are creating object to open the serial communication with A9G board and Raspberry Pi Pico W. Then after here is the function to send AT command from Raspberry Pi Pico W to the A9G board. Here you can see UART.write. So we are going to write AT command from Raspberry Pi Pico W to the A9G board. And here is the function to send SMS. So we are going to send 3 AT command to send SMS to any number. So first of all we are going to send this command to set SMS mode in the text. Then after we are going to provide phone number on which we are going to send SMS, and then after we will send the message body, and then after we will terminate the message to initialize the sending request. Okay, and here is the number which I am going to send the SMS, and here is the SMS which I want to send. Okay, so this is the message body. So what I have to do is I have to just invoke the function send SMS, and I have to provide phone number and the message. Okay, so I'm going to invoke this send SMS function, and this send SMS function will call send AT command function. Okay, and it will send or it will write AT command to the A9G board accordingly. So let's run this code and let's see the message in our phone. You can see we have received the OK response, and then after we are going to send the phone number. Okay, and then after we are going to send the message body. So the program is done, program is complete, and in a few moments we will receive the SMS here. You can see. Okay, so this is how you can use your Raspberry Pi Pico W to connect with the A9G board over the UART communication, and your A9G board will send SMS to any number based on the AT command you are passing from Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay, so this is the second useful case with Raspberry Pi Pico and the A9G board. So we have covered this topic, how to send SMS from A9G board by sending AT command from the Raspberry Pi Pico W using MicroPython programming. And here is the code. You can copy paste the code, you can change the phone number, you can change the message body as per your requirement, and you can run the code. Also you can create your own doorbell system based on this. So whenever someone press the doorbell button, this Raspberry Pi Pico W will send AT command to this A9G board, and the homeowner will receive the SMS that someone at the door. Okay, so this is the one of the application. Also you can use it in the alert system whenever you want to send an alert over the SMS. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, on the LinkedIn, or on the email, or you can also comment on this video. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.